How to use WeTransfer to send files. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how to easily use WeTransfer to send large files really quickly. Open your web browser and simply search for WeTransfer and hit the search icon. Now you can just go ahead and click on the first link and go to WeTransfer.com. Here, all you have to do is log into your account with your email. Click on agree to the terms and conditions. Now, you don't even have to log in. All you have to do is just go ahead and click on this email to select the recipient's email. So here, let me just go ahead and select some files. Click on add files. It's going to access your stuff over here. So I'll just go to pictures and upload these files. Click on open. It's going to automatically upload the files. Now here you could just enter the email address of the recipient and then your email address. So it's going to show you guys who sent the email, and on the recipient's end, you can add their email address. So let me just quickly add my own email address over here as well. But you are going to have to add the recipient's email address. Once that is done, you could just go ahead and use the transfer tab over here. So I'll just go ahead and click on transfer, and it's going to start transferring. It's going to send you a verification code on your email. So let me just quickly open my Gmail up. So here is the verification code. I'll just copy this, go back here, and then I'm going to paste the verification code. Click on verify and send, and you'll be good to go. So that is basically how you transfer your files from WeTransfer. If this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe for more. I'll catch you guys in the next one.